You have some grain bowls in your book.
Yeah.
Um, what are what are some of your most favorite grains? I know that you use sorghum a lot.
Yeah, I love sorghum. I have some of my grains here. Here's some barley. I have a barley recipe, and I have some steel cut oats here. What I try to do is I try to keep all of my whole grains on hand. But people love the bowls, and I love them too because it makes meal planning easy. It's like you've got your whole grain, you've got your plant protein. It could be beans, it could be tofu. I've got my tofu here. It could be tempeh, and then lots of veggies, whatever you have on hand, and then a sauce. So it's really easy to plan your meals, and they're all balanced.
I know, and you have great sauces and vinaigrettes in the book as
Yeah.
well.
I think it's so easy to make them yourself. You can just whip them up so easily.
So easily.
Yeah.